Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner YouTube channel. Today we will discuss 20th livestock census, which is important for all agriculture competitive examinations. The livestock census is conducted across the country periodically since 1919. The 20th livestock census was launched during the month of October 2018. For the first time, the livestock data was collected online in 20th livestock census. The 20th livestock census was carried out in about 6.6 lakh villages and 89,000 urban wards across the country, covering more than 27,000 households and non-households. Now let's come to the key result of 20th livestock census. The total livestock population is 535.78 million in the country, showing the increase of 4.6% over the livestock census 2012. Total bovine population, that include cattle, buffalo, mithun and yak, is 302.79 million in 2019, which saw an increase of 1% over the previous census. The total number of cattle in the country is 192.49 million in 2019, which saw the increase of 0.8% over the previous census. The female cattle cow population is 145.12 million, increased by 18% over the previous census. The exotic crossbreed of indigenous non-descriptive cattle population in country is 50.42 million and 142.11 million respectively. The indigenous non-descriptive female cattle population was increased by 10% in 2019 as compared to previous census. The population of total exotic crossbreed cattle has increased 26.9% in 2019 as compared to previous census. There is a decline of 6% of total indigenous, both descriptive and non-descriptive cattle population over the previous census. However, the pace of decline of indigenous cattle population during 2012 to 2019 is much lesser as compared to 2007 to 2012, which is about 9%. The total buffalo in the country is 109.85 million, showing an increase of 1% over the previous census. The total milch in cow and buffalo is 125.34 million, an increase of 6% over the previous census. The total sheep in the country is 74.26 million in 2019, increased by 14.1% over the previous census. The goat population in the country in 2019 is 148.88 million, showing the increase of 10.1% over the previous census. The total pig in the country is 9.06 million in the census, declined by 12.3% over the previous census. The total mithun in the country is 3.9 lakh in 2019, increased by 30% over the previous census. The total yak in the country is 58,000 in 2019, decreased by 24.67 over previous census. The total horses and ponies in the country is 3.4 lakh in 2019, decreased by 45.6% over the previous census. The total population of mules in the country is 84,000 in 2019, decreased by 57.1% over the previous census. The total population of donkey in the country is 1.2 lakh in 2019, decreased by 61.23% over the previous census. The total camel population in the country is 2.5 lakh in 2019, decreased by 37.1% over the previous census. The total poultry in the country is 851.81 million in 2019, increased by 16.8% over the previous census. The total backyard poultry in the country is 317.07 million in 2019, increased by 45.8% over the previous census. The total commercial poultry in the country is 534.74 million in 2019, increased by 4.5% over the previous census. This was the important point of 20th livestock survey. You will get full described PDF in the description box. Thank you.